Hello everyone, my name is Vikal Jain and today I am going to show you how to enter 0 before numbers. So I have 3 examples. First is manual entry, second is you may use custom formatting, and third is text function. So let's begin. So I have entered some check number over here, and we all know check number length is 6 digits, so you may count here. Here we have 6 digit, here we have 4 digit, here we have 5 5 5 3. So I am going to convert all number into 6 digit. So how we can do that? So first is manual entry. So since this is 6 digits, so you may just copy it and paste it. Now what you need to do, just put single quote 004523. so this is the first example, but this is very bulky and this is very time consuming. So let's begin with second one. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to use custom formatting. So for this you may use this. So I'm just copying the same value. See, now I'm going to use custom formatting. Just I'm copying these values so that I can and paste special and values. I'm copying these value and pasting the values so that I can show you what is custom formatting. So control 1 for format values. Now here custom, here we have general, delete this, press 6 times 0 since we have 6 digit number. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, click OK. Now see, this is very easy. So you may use custom formatting, but be careful, this is just basically illusion. What is illusion over here? See, this is 6 digits, so we have 6 digit over here and we have 6 digit over here, but here we have 4 digit and here we have 6 digit, but in the formula bar you may see 4 digit only. So it has changed only the formatting, not the values. So let's begin with third example. Now I am going to use text function. So I'm going to use text values. Now I'm going to use format text in double quotes. You have to type 60.23456, close the parentheses and enter, and drag and drop. Now see, here we have 6 digit, here we have 6 digit. Let's remove the formula for a while. Control C, Control Alt V, values. Now here we have 6 digit, here we have 6 digit, here we have 6 digit. In this example, here we have changed the format, and in this example we have changed the actual numbers. But be careful, what here also, here we have convert number into text. So you can't do any calculation over here, but you can do any calculation here. So this is the enter 0 before numbers. So keep enjoying and keep learning.